The Delhi High Court issued notice to the centre and Delhi government on two separate petitions seeking registration of same-sex marriages under the provision of Special Marriage Act 1954. One of the pleas seeks direction that it be declared that the Special Marriage Act 1954 applies to all regardless of gender and sexual orientation. The matter will be heard next on January 8.
The Delhi High Court has sought the government's response on two separate petitions filed by same-sex couple related to registration of marriage under the provisions of Special Marriage Act and Foreign Marriage Act. The court said that age-old inhibitions have to be shed after Advocate Rajkumar Yadav, one of the counsels for the centre, submitted that this situation has not arisen in the 5,000th year of Sanatan Dharma. The couple's petitions argued that the non-recognition of marriage between LGBTQ persons violated the fundamental right of liberty, equality, life and freedom of expression guaranteed to them by the Supreme Court. We would be like to recognize as full human being, argued senior advocate Menka Guruswamy on behalf of two same-sex couples who have petitioned the Delhi High Court for the legal recognition of same-sex marriage. The petitioners have filed writ petition urging that the Special Marriage Act and the Foreign Marriage Act be interpreted to also apply to the marriages of same-sex couples. The Delhi High Court bench of Justice R.S. Endlaw and Asha Menon issued notice in the matter and fixed the cases for further hearing on 8th January 2021. The central government standing counsel, Advocate Kirtiman Singh, agreed that the matter cannot be treated as adversarial. The matter involved two petitions filed by two same-sex couples. One couple has assailed the prevailing interpretation of the Special Marriage Act. Through senior advocate Guruswamy, they told the court today that when they approached the concerned subdivisional magistrate to apply for marriage, they were refused even entry into the building. Another same-sex couple, two men who had been married by the highest-ranking Indian judge in New York, were denied the registration of their marriage under the Foreign Marriages Act by the Indian consulate in New York. Taking the court through correspondence between the couple and the consulate officials, Guruswamy told the court that the consulate had openly admitted to have denied the marriage registration on the ground of sexual orientation alone. The couple was told that the prevailing guidelines do not permit the registration of their marriage. Guruswamy asserted that the authorities' action clearly indicated that they were not aware of the Supreme Court's pronouncement in Puttaswamy's case and Navtej Singh Johar case, whereby the apex court had ruled against discrimination on the grounds of sexual orientation. The right to choose a partner of one's choice was also underscored in these rulings. By refusing to allow the petitioner to marry or register their marriage, their inherent rights to dignity and expectation of constitutional morality had been violated, she argued. Justice Endlaw pointed out that the definition of marriage in Indian law has not been statutorily defined, which meant that authorities generally relied on its customary interpretation, he observed. Guruswamy also drew the court's attention to how special rights are given to married couple in terms of buying a house, availing life insurance policy, taking care of the family of one's partner, getting loan and having a bank account. In the later case, the Supreme Court had also observed that the purpose of marriage goes beyond mere procreation, she pointed out. In this backdrop, she argued that the petitioners simply want to be recognized as full citizens. Notice in the matter has been accepted by both the Union of India and the Government of Delhi today. The court directed them to file affidavits within 4 weeks and the rejoinders thereto may be filed within 4 weeks thereafter. The matter has been listed for hearing on 8th January. Notably, while responding to the earlier plea, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had told the Delhi High Court, "Our legal system and values do not recognize marriage, which is sacramental, between same-sex couples." Bureau Report.